Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, this video will teach you how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. Let's start. Open your account. Go to your profile icon at the top right side of your screen. Click on Setting and Privacy. Now go to Settings. From the number of options, you need to select your Facebook information. Now drag your cursor downwards. In the end, you will get the deactivation and deletion setting. Here, click on View. It will take you to delete or deactivate your account as per your choice and convenience. Select any option and simply click here to continue. Your account will be deleted or deactivated. Remember that deletion is permanent and deactivation is temporary. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button to get updated.